What's up, guys? I'm going to walk you through how to make money using Axiom Pro, which is the most amazing platform to trade meme coins or shitcoins. Call them what you want, but it's the most inefficient, incredible way to make money, right? Because you're day trading attention, right? Every single day, 65,000 coins are being made. 65,000. You know how many of them you can make money on? Every single one, if there's volume, right? Let me show you how I use Pulse on Axiom Pro. First of all, when you sign up, before you sign up, hit the first link in the description. And very importantly, use my code ROCOBSD. Click on it, it's automatic. You get money, you save up to 20% on fees. I get money back. We're all happy campers. Use your code, give it to your friends, you make money on their trades, right? You want to go to Pulse, right? You're going to come to Pulse and you're going to make sure, you're not a pussy. You're going to make sure you zero filters. Hit reset filters, boom. Make sure you take Launchpad out, LaunchLab, right? You only want Pump Protocol. That's it, right? You're looking for volume, right? You want a coin that came out within the last 5 seconds, max, right? With volume, right? You also want Pro Trader. This coin came out 6 seconds ago, boom. What you want to do is, let's see here, boom, boom. Oh, let's see, there's no volume. Let's go back. Okay, let's see. Let's look for. It takes time, right? You want to make money? It takes time, baby. It takes nothing but time, baby. Watch this. Watch this. Giga now. Let's see. What is it? Sentient safe. Boom. Paper trade before you put money in. Mark a vertical line of where you'd go in, right? Lock the line. Come back in a few minutes, a few seconds, whatever it is, and say, boom. If it goes to 10,000, you'd say, okay, that's where I'd get out. 10 divided by 6,000. Boom. You almost 2 extra money, right? You want to put your money in $1 billion shitcoin that's going to maybe go, boom. You see right here? Instant trade, boom, right? You want to make sure you bring up the instant trade. Boom, you're already out. You would have almost 3 extra money right here, boom, right? You want to do it fast because if you don't do it fast, you're going to get dumped on. And if you're going to get dumped on, you're not going to make money, right? You want FOMO, you have fear of missing out. What's better? Losing 20% from buying it early, which, by the way, is the most important strategy. You're buying in so early that there's enough liquidity, and it's only possible for it to go down by maybe a 15-20% max. But your upside is 300% gains. Take out, even if it's 100%, 20%, 30%, whatever it is. Do that on 20, 30, 50 trades a day. You're making thousands of dollars, right? You're making $30,000 a month, right? What do you think? It's good, right? Do it. Do it. Do it. Love you guys. Make sure you subscribe to Fwog Dawg. Hit the like button. Click the bell notification. Whatever it is, right? Don't copy trade. Don't try and get lucky because then you won't learn. Learn from your mistakes. Everything is a tuition fee. When you lose, it's like going to school. But please learn. Learn how to do it the proper way. Love you guys.